A labor works 60 hours per week and he earns 2400 as wages. If his per hour wages is increased by 40% and the duration of work is reduced by 16 to by 3%. Find the percentage change in his income. So labor works for 60 hours. You have to earn 2400. This is his salary. So per hour wage is 2400 divided by 60. So 40. So per hour wage is 40 rupees per hour. His per hour wages increased by 40%. So 40% of 40. So 2 by 5 into 40. 8 is increased by 16. It is per hour wage is 56 rupees per hour. His duration of work is decreased by 16 to by 3%. So 16 to by 3 is 1 by 6 into 60 or 10. It is decreased by 10 is 50. So his total salary is 2800. So what is its percentage change? So it is increased by 400. So 400 by 2400 into 0 cancelled, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is 16 2 by 3%. Per hour wage is increased by 40%. So 40% is equal to 2 by 5. So starting value is 5 increased by 40%. Value is 7. His work is decreased by 16 2 by 3%. So 16 2 by 3 is can be written as 1 by 6. So work is 6. It is decreased by 1. Value is 5. So next salary is 6 into 5 30. Here 5 into 7 35. So what is percentage change? So it is increased by 5. So 5 by 30 into 100. So 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is equal to 16 2 by 3%. The population of a town is 1,89,000. 4 by 9 of them are males and the rest are female. 50% of male are married. Find the percentage of married population. Next, second one, find the percentage of married female. So whenever we are using percentage, fraction or ratio, there is no need to consider the real values. Four by 9 of them are male. That means the total population is 9. 4 is male. So male is female is 5. So 50% of male are married. So 50% of 4 is 2. Two male are married means the married female is 2. So find the percentage of married population. So total married is 4 out of 9. So 4 by 9 into 100. So 1 by 9 is 11, 1 by 9 into 4. So 44, 4 by 9%. The second one is find the percentage of married female. So total female is 5. So out of 5, so married is 2. 2 by 5 into 100, that is 40%. The amount of work in a factory is increased by 50%. By what percentage it necessary to increase the number of workers to complete the work in previous time? If the productivity of new labor is 25% more than previous labor. The amount of work in a factory is increased by 50%. So take total work as 100. So it is increased by 50%. That means 150. The productivity of labor is 25% more than the previous. So 1 by 4 represented as 1 by 4. So this is new productivity is 4. So total work is equal to 100. So 100 by 4. That means total men are 25. So the productivity of men is, the productivity of new labor is increased by 25%. That means this value is 5. See, 25 men can do a work of 100. The remaining work is 150 minus 100. The remaining work is 50. Now the productivity of labor is 5. So 50 by 5. The value is 10. So it is required 10. So what is the percentage change of men? So here total starting men is 25. It increase what percentage? So 10 by 25 into 100. So 1 by 5, 2 by 5, that means 40%. So second. So take starting, I want to take 100 members. So each efficiency, so the productivity is increased by 25%. That means 1 by 4. So the productivity is 4. So total work is 4 into 100. So total work is 400. So total work is increased by 50%. So 50% of 400 is 600. So this total work is 600. So out of 600, 100 men complete 400 work. So remaining work is 200. So this 200 work is completed by new labor of, so efficiency is 5, increased by 25%. So 4 plus 1 value is 5. So the number of men is work by efficiency, then 40 men. So starting is 100 members. So now 40. What is the percentage? 40 by 100 into 100. So value is 40.